Guys, welcome my kitchen. So we'll cook today white sauce pasta with mixed vegetables. This one is one of my favorite dish. So this is the pasta. We'll prepare for 2 cup pasta and 2 liter water with 1 spoon salt with little bit oil for boiling pasta. After boiling water, we'll put pasta. When done cook, we'll remove from water. Also, you can check. Yeah, it's done. So we'll remove. Okay. We put the cool water. This is the fry pan. Oil or butter you can put, and 2 cloves garlic, onion, slowly you can mix it up. 1 onion, this one, and this is corn, green capsicum and tomato. We'll put together. This will keep out, and take a fry pan, butter 2 spoon, melt it. After we'll add white flour also. Now ready this one. This is flour. Mix well nicely. Yes, we'll mix nicely, then add little 1 cup of milk, fresh milk also we'll add. Wow, look like very nice. After a little brown, we'll add 1 cup of milk. Yes, mix it widely like liquid. This is our pasta sauce. This is black pepper, red chilli flakes. Also mix well nicely, and you can add little lots of salt also if you like. So we'll add here mozzarella cheese. We can add also Parmesan cheese like that. Mix well. Then we will add the vegetables that we fried before. Mixed vegetable. And also macaroni, pasta. So guys, our pasta is ready. Look like so delicious. Yes, mix well with cream, sauce, all vegetables. So finally ready to serve. Okay guys, finally our food is ready to eat. Thank you for watching, and if you like, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share with your friends. Thank you for like my posts. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your subscribe, and thank you so much for 1K subscribe my YouTube channel. And keep watching, keep comment, and keep loving me always. Thank you.